So apparently, most people start sewing their wedding dress months in advance. I chose chaos. Because why start early when you can compress an entire bridal gown into one stress-filled, caffeine-free week? Meanwhile, my kids have appointed themselves as unpaid assistants. Will the dress be finished? Will I sleep? Will my children allow me to complete a single seam uninterrupted? Stay tuned.
What's up, you guys? It has been so long, I don't even know where to begin. But anyways, this video obviously is about me designing my wedding dress, or maybe not so much designing it. Let's just talk about it. Let's catch up. I've been gone for like 4 months or more. My last video was in December. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Ariel. I create sewing and fashion content. Okay, so I'm getting married finally to my life partner. It's been 9 years, so this has been a long time coming. We have kids together and we're finally taking that step and starting this new journey together. So I'm so excited, and even though it's been so long, we haven't been planning this for a long time. I got engaged last August. I don't even know if I can get this done. Like I was saying, I don't know where to begin, and the sun is going down and the kiddos keep interrupting. But anyways, you guys, I got engaged last year in August, and we've been kind of talking about what we're going to do as far as planning a wedding and stuff. But right now we're going to elope and have like a getaway, and we're going to plan for a wedding in a few years. But so that's what I'm making my dress for, and at this point it's a week away. I only have 1 week and I am stressed. And why did I wait for the last minute, you may ask? Because I am preggers. I don't even know if you guys can see because I'm wearing black, but I am preggers. And that first trimester, you guys, if you know anything about the first trimester, it was kicking my behind. So I could barely get out of bed, and that's why I have been missing from my channel. Just like literally 2 weeks ago, I'm starting to finally feel like myself again. Hence why I took so long to work on this dress. And also, I don't even know what I want to wear anymore for my new body type. I have some options here of designs that I've created already, so let's try them on. Let's talk and figure out what we're going to do. My original plan was to make something super snatched, so now that I'm expecting, that changes things and it changes the design. Also, I am not ready to announce that I'm preggers either. By the time this video is up, I would have announced it, I believe. At the time of the wedding right now, I'm not ready to announce, and so I kind of have to mask what's going on here, and my dress has to kind of hide it. I have some options, and this silhouette actually fits me very nice right now. I tried it on and I was like, maybe this could be an option, and I was gonna design this in white. But now I'm cutting too close to time, and I'm also like super tired. I'm still fatigued. You know, I'm feeling like myself again, but I'm not all the way there. So I just don't know when am I really going to make this from scratch? Like, I don't know, you know? So I do have this gown that I just tried on last night. I designed this dress in 2022, I believe, and it's a wedding dress it was a size extra large 1X, and I tried it on and it fit, you guys. But yeah, this is what I have to work with right now. I'm thinking like, and it has pockets. Since I'm pressed for time, I use a dress that I already have and work from here. It's crazy because this is an extra large 1X, you know, but it's fitting me. See how like it kind of covers the belly? I would obviously have to alter this here. I would take it in, and I think I need to take in the shoulder area. I went through my wedding stash of lace and trims that I have. Sorry guys, I'm really trying to get this done and there's no other time. So you're gonna hear the kids. I'm thinking that I'm going to add some lace in the front to make this different, because people seen this dress already. I did get my heels from Amazon and I love them. They're so adorable. Some classic strappy pearl heels. I don't know if you can see that, but these are so cute. They just came in and I love them. I just received my veil, and this is actually beautiful too, but it is a white. The dress that I'm wearing is it's off-white. I do prefer off-white. I think it's more beautiful. I don't know, I love off-white fabric. A lot of what I design in my collection is off-white and not white. But yeah, I know brides love white, and I do give them that option as well. So yeah, the veil is white. It doesn't match my dress. Like, you see, you guys, this is white and this is off-white. Like, so I think I'm gonna have to order the ivory one and we'll go from there. I feel so stressed, guys. I have a week and I just feel like there's so many things to do. It's crazy because no matter how small you make it or you don't plan it so big, it's still a lot of work.
Subscribe. Okay. Bye.
You see, you guys, I love how this looks. I want to make this in white. Do I have enough time? I don't know, but if I can make this in white, this is literally what I want. Oh my god. Okay, so you saw the blue one, you guys. Don't you just love it? This is the pattern for the top of that dress. It's a self-drafted pattern. It's about 5 pieces and I have the fabric on hand that I want to use. And then this is the skirt pattern that I would use. I made this as well. So maybe I can do it. Let's just see. Side note, you guys, I did panic buy a dress from SHEIN last night. And it said it may get here either between the time frame before my wedding day or one day after my wedding day. So let's see, because that's my backup dress. If I get that dress in time, or whenever I'll get it, I'll try it on for you guys just for shits and giggles. And maybe I will end up wearing that dress. We don't know.
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste no time. What's something I can do for you, darling, that would make you smile? I'll bring you flowers, girl, enough to see for miles. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. I love your style, and I love your grace. Said I love to put a smile on your pretty little face. I love it when you're close to me. That's where I didn't know when I found you that I would find a love so true. And you can see it in my eyes, that girl, you've got me hypnotized. Something's changed, baby, this I know.
So I have some updates. It is pouring rain outside. I have my mic on so you guys should be able to hear me. But it's pouring rain and it is also going to rain on our wedding day, which is tomorrow. My lips are ashy. Let me get some early new lip gloss. But I wanted to update you guys on the dress. So here's what we have so far. Okay, the slit, it's going over my belly. And this is the part that I am unsure about. But I'm glad that I have something that I can wear. And it is something that I made. This is the back. Yeah, I have to tweak this, but I'm not loving this. And I think it's just adding more volume to myself. And it's actually very restraining. So I did something different where I added it to the back of the dress. It's still not finished, so things may look uneven and wonky, but I'll fix all that. I just think because I used a heavy crepe like the skirt, it's not looking right. I should have used like a chiffon. But look, I can't even do anything with my arms. With the navy dress, I did have this sleeve come up here, and maybe that's what I need to do. Or I think I'm going to remove it completely. Like, because I like the dress like this. I think this looks fine. And then I'm going to add some lace appliques. So I think that's gonna give it more of a va-va-voom. We don't have much time anyway. It's tomorrow and I still have to do my hair and do my daughter's hair. I did exchange that veil for an off-white veil and this looks so much better. But yeah, I think this is all I would need really. You know, I'm just trying to look at myself. I think like I don't need that sleeve thing. I hope you guys can hear me. It's raining so loud. But yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna just remove these sleeves. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If I should have kept them or removed them. And that SHEIN dress is still not here. It's delayed. So I'm definitely getting the dress after my wedding and I'll still try it on for you guys.
There's a silky pillowcase, slither in my innocent oasis. You bring the pain, I'll deliver patience. I see the lion and try to tame him. I know the werewolf behind the sheep, familiar the scent of deceit behind your pretty teeth.
Okay, you guys, so my wedding has came and went, and the SHEIN dress is finally here. So let's try it on. Here's the moment of truth. Okay, let's try this on and I'm gonna show you what it looked like online and what it looks like on me. It does not close. I got a size large. I'm not mad at it. It's not bad. For it to be a SHEIN dress, this was $160. The lace is pretty. You could tell though the material is, you know, a bit cheaper, but it's lined and this is definitely like a good alternative if you need a quick dress. But this is what it looked like online, and of course she looks amazing. This is what it would look like, and I don't think it's bad. $160, 100% polyester. It is itchy up here, but I think I would have felt beautiful in this as well. I think my belly is noticeable though. It's like, yeah girl, it is. So that is a wrap, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this journey with me of making my dress. I am officially married. We had a beautiful day. There were some bumps in the road. First of all, I didn't even get to add any lace to my dress, and I really wanted to, but then last minute seeing it on and not really knowing the placement, and it was literally the morning of my wedding, I just opted out and I was like, it's fine the way it is, and it is what it is. It's just about me and him, and I love the dress how it is. Till next time, you guys. Bye.